buy a tiny one.
Yeah, I want to see if I can get it.
This one feels the best.
That's the best?
It's light enough for me to hold because the rest I was like swaying down. Well, I'm
So far, he keeps
Just gonna try another one.
That's this is how you assess it.
So,
This is kind of a heavy.
show me how. So you're gonna get stronger. That looks pretty good.
Oh my gosh, you parried. Thrust and parry.
Well, I do like the big one. It looks kind of like a pirate type ray.
How much are they?
Same price.
Which one do you like?
I don't know.
Well, you said the lighter one.
This one's lighter, except I am going to get bigger.
And this is actually a sword. That's more of a dagger or a dirk.
It's up to you.
Noah, Silas, come on.
They're all. Oh no, there's a girl. I was gonna say these are all boys.
Of course.
Here's a girl. Yay for girls. All right, Annie. Oh. Well, she knows what she wants.
Ooh, look out for that girl in the pink. Oh my golly, you'd run a guy through with that, wouldn't you, huh?
Wow.
That's bigger than you.
More ninja sword.
Oh yeah, and here's the other one that was. This blade is well. See, it's lighter than the other one.
Are you actually gonna buy a sword?
Yes.
So this is.
Oh, not much lighter.
You can fight with Will.
You know, I like this style. This one has a crack right here. Is there another?
Yes, there are others.
All right, looks like she's going for that kind.
No, we're not getting a drag.
What do you think?
I'm gonna ask him. I like this one. And this one's cheap. I can't decide.
Both Amanda and I like this one.
All right, make it so.
Oh, but I also like this one. I can't decide.
Plus, this one is also good for if you have a costume required, like for the pirate or something.
You'll like it.
Which one did you buy? Are you gonna buy? Which one? Show it. All right. All right, go get it. Say goodbye.